my God, that's
It's not to be like, you know, very, I mean, supporter of Pinoy, diba? Siya yung ano ngayon eh, parang nasa kanya yung
Of course, he's the president. He's the...
yung galit ng taong bayan
I
talaga.
think it's
How do you
our,
feel about it? You feel the
me personally, I can't speak for
Paano?
us, but
Bilang,
I think I'm so ashamed.
kumbaga nabawasan ba? Yung,
Alam.
hindi ba being supporter of
No matter how happy she looks and how friendly we are today, I know that I don't
well,
and she brought nothing but
sa akin kasi,
loyalty, two beautiful children.
I don't know if
So,
I should
my
say
guilt
this and
is
you guys should write it, but
My
I
guilt
feel that
overcomes or
should have been more
outnumbers that magic running
when
that you're asking me
pagka
to
dumadating tayo sa
But we
type
don't
na
really
ganito
know
na
why. Because the island
may
of guilt
sauna,
take over. This is
yun
not
yung
years of therapy.
yun lang yung napapansin ko. Kasi I guess he's trying to run a
Aside
country.
from your
And,
self-deprecating you
you
for
know,
your
people are trying to understand that. It's hard
But
to
Mario,
get
it's
to
true.
them.
This
I
is
cannot
something
imagine.
years of
I mean,
therapy.
really,
Like,
parang, how do you run a country? How? Right? It's very, very difficult.
I'm gonna please everybody.
You cannot, and you're always,
So there's no reason
and you
why
have
it's
to be
okay
ready
about my
for
private life today, because I don't want to involve
ano
anyone.
yan,
There's anything I've learned.
yung kinikriticize ka. Eh, ganun talaga eh. Kami nga, artista na,
This-
kinikriticize kami. Bash kami, bash kami, para naman. Nagbayad talaga kayo, ah. Kumanta ka sa TV, hindi libre yun, di ba? Kung makapintas, nagbayad ka para panoorin ka sa TV, ah. Yung ganun. So you have to be ready for that.
Save some for yourself.
But
I'm now looking for
sa
treasure.
akin,
You know, you go to the beach,
siguro
you go to
when
Shell,
things like
and you
this,
hope to find that
ganito, yung
most
mga
precious.
sakuna
That's what
nangyayari,
I'm doing now.
wala namang mawawala sa iyo if you
33 years
sympathize,
I'm looking for Shell
you
treasure.
are
human.
That I can keep and say, this is
For
mine.
the fair of great price.
yun na nga,
Share the one
yung
that you know
gracious,
about.
yung
But you learn
grace.
something out of that.
Actually, kasi yung grace, mahirap talaga ibigay yun eh, kasi parang si God lang na nabibigay mo. Pero parang pwede naman eh. He needs to learn how to, I'm sorry, but sa akin
How
siguro
many men do
parang,
you know
sana lang I wish he could have been
that the
more
second time around,
gracious
I will be
talaga
first?
with everything that had happened in the past and now. So, I think
I hope to God, because
mas
the women I
maiintindihan
see
siya ng
now,
tao.
that's their number one complaint.
Alam mo yun,
Stop
you are
killing
there.
yourself. Stop.
Hindi,
Stop.
tsaka yun, mas
Stop
gracious
beating
siya, mas
yourself up
nakisympathize, mas
for all the crimes in
nakikiramay,
the past.
nakiisa.
Children
Ngayon, nandun
finding
siya
out,
ngayon.
Eh, kasi
Robin
he's-
or Rab the next month to
he's supposed to
my
be there.
shadow.
It's good.
Wala sa schedule niya.
Too late na, you know. Too late na, you know.
Tsaka
Late yan.
Emotionally by marrying someone, reaching nowhere forever with anyone else. There must
Gusto
have
pa rin
been
kami
so
siya,
much love between you.
nire-rent lang.
That would have played different.
Mas na-miss ko naman.
Hindi pa ba tapos?
No, no. I'm not from this world. I think a lot of guys who are so easy
Huwag mo na isunod.
about relationships. I think they're very serious.